One of the most loved rooms in the house has always been the kitchen area. Because if it is true that the average time spent in the kitchen decreases from year to year, the perfect place to relax in front of a glass of wine after a day at work. Porcelain stoneware tiles, due to their intrinsic technical characteristics, they do not absorb liquids, are easy to clean and antibacterial, as well as aesthetic. They allow infinite combinations. To understand how to put tiles in the kitchen, careful planning is required. If you want to create perfect kitchen coverings using porcelain stoneware, it is essential to devote due care to installation. You can consider tiles with a glossy surface, very light and lively colors, particular shapes and motifs, sharp angles and narrower joints, as trendy. The modern style in the kitchen can be associated with the color black. One of the trends is precisely to choose very dark furniture for the decor. In this case, the coverings and flooring can fall on light but warm colors at the same time, to go in contrast but without ever breaking the harmony of tones. To follow the trends, the choice falls on tiles for a modern kitchen. For this reason, it is useful to apply a very current and sophisticated coating. The kitchen environment leaves room for furniture and all the furnishings. The covering must enhance the room, not be the protagonist. It's trendy to find yourself in a smart, minimal but at the same time warm and welcoming kitchen, perfect for spending time in. Some examples are double-fired tiles, laminate panels, epoxy resin, self-adhesive tiles and porcelain stoneware. The former, glossy or opaque white, perhaps combined with wood, evoke retro atmospheres, almost from other times. It has the disadvantage of possible water infiltration. Laminate gives a very essential result to the space. It is a resistant and easily washable material, perfect above all for professional kitchens.